Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So let's start with today's news. Smith don't return to full fitness as they want to see Baba they train, they prepare for the match against Aston Villa. So a lot of sources they talk say Smith fit to start today because you say Martinelli really suffer himself. The guy play beyond the way they play against that Liverpool match. The guy run up and down, so the guy fit no get enough recovery period. So the doctor maybe Smith will start ahead of him for this match, but we never really know because it will make sense now as Smith don't dey sharp making starts because Martinelli really run up and down for that Liverpool match. I'm able to think now. Even Tomiyasu sef still dey out for injury as Arteta dey give injury updates. Say for everybody waiting for Arsenal, only Tomiyasu now still dey out with a calf injury. The guy never even returned to training, so we never know when this guy will really come back. And everything is taking a toll on Cedric Suarez because the guy really they put in a mad shift. For that Tomiyasu, the guy they play week in week out, they try for us, they suffer with the team, they enjoy with the team. And they really pity for the guy. When they try all in best, well, what you see as every single turn. I just hope say today match against Aston Villa, no go really stress the team, because this is their third game in 6 days. What you just hope say today will make sense. Then away from that, we're going to hear say the spirit in the camp is very high. The spirit in the Arsenal camp is very high. As the guys, we see them, they smile, they are very happy, they bond with one another. We see like as they lead the team, they explain one or two things to Smith Rowe. Just they happy with them now. Just see them as they try to rebuild themselves, because this match against Aston Villa no be easy match. The last 2 times we don't come here, they don't beat us again. So we guys be very serious, especially now we say they don't already get Gerrard and they come buy some kind of players. So I don't know whether I go they harder now. I'll be waiting, but well, all the watchers go turn out to this year. Another news over the year be say Arsenal fit persuade Thomas Rosicky, making help them ask Patrick Schick to come join us, and wetin come give us this confidence say we fit try these tactics now because say Barcelona reason Yaya Toure say making help them talk to Frank Kessie because Frank Kessie na one in countryman, so make talk to am make they come join Barca. So Toure sef come reason the guy don't agree, so Barca sef don announce and say Frank Kessie go join them at the end of the summer. So after the plan say they won't use that tactic also, so maybe Rosicky will help the reason to a fellow countryman Patrick Schick when he can join us. Well, I wish say that tactic will work because Schick self now another striker we say they bust 10 week out. They fast, they tall, they dribble, skillful, anything what you want from a striker, a modern day striker, they give you, not just hold up play. So another person who self the ring so if we carry on join for our squad. Then away from that, with the talk, so we would like to see Philippe Coutinho as he go play against Arsenal. For what the year, they say in the last 4 games or thereabout, Philippe Coutinho don't be responsible for about 6 goals, but don't give assists. He scored 3, give like 3 assists. The guy they play very well for Aston Villa. So today will be the perfect audition for us to see how the guy they play because we the year say Arsenal themselves still they interested in the guy because the buyout clause waiting for his head now £40 million. And Aston Villa owner, they no talk say they feel no fee afford that. Even though Gerrard talk say it will make sense for them buy the guy. So Arsenal and Man U they scam the guy. Say okay, at the end of the summer, the way they play for Aston Villa, then go determine our movements. Okay, whether we will still go for him, or we will not go for him. So this is the perfect audition for Coutinho to let us know. So almost see me, see as they play. Not just Coutinho and Oli Watkins. A perfect opportunity for us to see them. For even though we see Douglas Luiz, but that one don't get injury because that one self na defensive midfielder. I don't get injury. So these particular 2 players today now we'll see how they play. For media setting, they call they ask Antonio Conte about the thing where Arteta talk, where Arteta they talk say the fixture not they jam packs for Arsenal, this and that. Say how Conte will respond. Conte come talk say, say what Arteta gonna talk like that. And say Arteta don't forget say when they prepare for the North London derby, some people don't buy tickets, everybody don't ready, everything don't set. Arsenal can go apply. They can't postpone the match. They don't know say they unfair that time. Now all those matches where they postpone now, don't they choke and back now, can't they complain? Say don't complain that. So yeah, it's talking about unfair. I'll tell you about the North London derby. That one too is unfair. Don't complain. Our Benfica self don't ask Arsenal to pay £67 million for Darwin Núñez if Arsenal really won't sign the guy. So now the price they don't slap for the guy head. So if we need them at the end of the summer, when I bring this amount, I will sell them to no cap. Our Arsenal sef don send scouts to go monitor Aaron Hickey of Bologna. Aaron Hickey na 19 years old. The guy dey play very very well. No be just Arsenal. I don't know Arsenal man. You into Arsenal one scam. Man you sef go there. I don't know whether they dey copy us. I don't just understand. But now these two teams, and then they monitor the progress of Aaron Hickey. So we never know. But for me, when they start to monitor these 19-year-olds, we have enough of all these kind of players. I understand say quite right, they buy them for the future, but when I leave future now, we could buy for the next 2-3 years. We could say win something now. And every time we go for 19 years, about you not think now. Even our monitoring spiritual they call Fisherless don't come outside. They let us know say Arsenal don't join the race to sign William Carvalho from Real Betis. Yes, William Carvalho na midfielder. So as I know say they would like to sign him. And what we hear for Carvalho camp is say any offer will come from Arsenal will be welcome. See they like Arsenal and they're ready to switch camp, to switch allegiance from Real Betis over to Arsenal. So now Arsenal hand the day to make the formal offer. If they don't make the offer, then the guy go agree, then they'll sign pen to paper before you know he don't transfer from. Then Gabriel Martinez himself don't come aside from media set. He call the talk say he hope say in the next 2 to 3 years, say Arsenal go to fight for titles again. Say for this season we don't really play very very well. Like we upgraded a lot from last season. So in the serious in the next 2-3 years, fighting for titles, and he hopes that's what it will be. Arsenal they battle with Newcastle and Manchester United for Moussa Diaby of Bayern Leverkusen. Moussa Diaby, the guy na winger, the guy they play very very well. Sure, the guy na winger we say he carry Bayern Leverkusen for his shoulder. The guy be like Saka. You know the way Saka take be for Arsenal, so the guy be for Leverkusen there. And they come place £50 million for the guy head. Say if Arsenal need them, but they can't carry him. So I know they sure say Arsenal go for this kind of small boy, go pay £50 million. You know go make sense. You get. Boku focus on ready-made players wey dey known. Go Man City there, carry players wey dey their Benjamin, come put for our own team. It go make sense to get Man City na star-studded team wey say people dey for Benjamin. They no like as dem dey there. You get. So now wetin we supposed to dey do? All this 19-20, don tire me. We need a proven player. At the same time, Yuri Tillemans don't come outside from media set when they do interview with head Belang van Limburg. So they they ask Baba say how in future will be at the end of the summer. So Baba can say he never decide at the moment now. But what is up? They say if Leicester tell us to make him stay 1 more year, saying they're likely to stay because they've done a lot for him. You know, they give him a chance when nobody give him a chance. So that will not be a problem for him because he love them so much. So he never decide now. But if they tell us say okay, I beg move it, so stay 1 more year for then before you move. So you no go waste time, you go stay. Even for media set itself, they ask Arteta say I take sit down London derby now. Say whether they worried about when they go play him. Arteta say of course yes now. So as until like this now, they never put North London derby for their calendar. So nobody know when they go play him. So they don't go CHUKS in between games again, come suffer Arsenal team again. So that is his worry. So you never know how it will be. Well, what they watch in prayer be say they go fix him for a date where be say it will be favorable to both teams. Don't be say they can't go give Tottenham Hotspur one kind of advantage now. Maybe Tottenham go rest for 9 days while they go play. Oh, we all rest for 2 or 3 days. Say no go make sense at all. I beg. At the same time, they ask Mikel Arteta about that Aaron Ramsdale error will lead to Diogo Jota goal. So Baba because they ask and say how Ramsdale take that error. So Baba talk say Ramsdale, he know they happy, he sad with himself, like he feels gutted. See that kind of error will happen. So Arteta when they let her know say you see as a top keeper, all those kind of moments it will happen for your career at a normal level. So now how you respond to that kind of moments and will determine. You can't go the next 10-15 years and you want to be at the top and you feel this kind of moments no will happen. Nah, it will surely happen. So you grow from your mistakes. That's anybody know they make mistakes, that means you know they try new things and you know they develop. Now so you just be. Apart from the 4 players, so they don't call up to England senior team. So for Ladi Balogun says they don't call them up to England under 21 side after they play for Middlesbrough under Chris Wilder. So which means the way when they play there, they don't catch the attraction of the under 21 keeper. So they don't invite themselves when self can join them. So we are very very happy for our players as they don't get their call-ups. We have another match of the day. Aston Villa versus Arsenal. Aston Villa go host Arsenal today as Arsenal will try to get back to winning ways. Arsenal gets all their players complete as they will try to collect all 3 points from Aston Villa. This is the perfect chance for us to see Ole Watkins and Philippe Coutinho and see how then they perform. For the head-to-head for the last 5 games for Villa, Arsenal lose 2 and win 3. Last season we lose 1-0 for here, so this one can let us know. So we're not supposed to underrate this Villa side. You get, there be a thorn in our flesh in the last game, so we don't play for here. Even for our home self, they always disturb us. So man, I just keep an open mind. Hope say today, they lose for Liverpool, supposed to collect 3 points now. On paper, will not be their mates to get. But say na 11-11, so for the field of play, anything will happen. More just pray say the officiating will favor us, so that's how it will be. So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click am so that you'll get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.